Hi, welcome once again to the videos on positive psychology transform your life. My name is Ranjit Kovlinkal and I'm a psychotherapist. Hope you saw my last video in which I had spoken on active constructive responding ACR and given you examples on the 4 different ways we respond based on researcher Shelley Gable's work on the same. They are passive and destructive, passive and constructive, active and destructive, and active and constructive. In this video, we will investigate the technicalities of the 4 response mechanism. Research by Shelley Gable has shown that how we respond to good news is actually a better predictor of long-term success in a relationship than our response to bad news, as per traditional wisdom. So please understand that it is not that when you are there for your significant other, when things go wrong, that is the predictor of long-term success in the relationship, but it is actually when things are good and if you are there for your significant other, that the relationship becomes long-lasting and you get even closer. It is not that you need not be around when things are bad, you need to be around, but what it means to say is that when things are good and you are still there for your partner, the relationship becomes long-lasting, filled with happiness, and you get even closer. So let me explain to you the 4 different styles of communication. Responding to good news is so important. So let us look at these 4 styles. One is passive and destructive. In this, the person actually shows disinterest, does not pay much attention, and changes the topic of conversation. The total mood is spoiled and there is no reaction at all to the good news. The body language is that the person looks at the watch, sighs, or turns away from the conversation. In the example that I had spoken in the previous video, Jane, when she shared the good news to her hubby Jacob, Jacob actually changed the conversation without even bothering to listen to her and also see how excited she was. Instead, he asked her, "What's for dinner tonight?" So this is passive and destructive. Now let's look at passive and constructive. In passive and constructive, the person passively engages with little enthusiasm and does not make a big deal of the situation. The receiver of the news does seem happy. However, the response and the reaction are not elaborate and the feedback is not very positive. The body language exhibits a gentle nod and a smile. Again, coming back to the example, Jacob responds by saying that, "That's good news. We can now have more money to buy the 4-bedroom apartment that we had wanted for so long." So this is passive and constructive. In active and destructive, the person actually points out the problem associated with the good news. The person creates doubt and concern about the scenario and completely kills any excitement. The body language is reactive or it is aggressive with authoritative movements and frowning. Again, coming back to the example, Jacob responds by saying that, "What the heck? I thought you hated the company and you were saying it is riddled with politics. How can you accept this offer? I do not think you will fit well into the role." So that is for active and destructive. Now let's come to active and constructive. Here the person actively and authentically responds to the good news with interest and enthusiasm. Asks questions that help to almost re-experience or relive the moment. The conversation is a pleasant and joyful one for both the participants. The body language is leaning into the conversation, and there is an increase in movements and hand gestures. The person maintains eye contact, has a genuine smile, and is accompanied with touching and laughing. Again, coming back to the example, Jacob smiles and tells Jane, "That's fantastic news. I always knew you would get it. All the good work you have put in has finally paid off. I am so happy for you." Having solid and meaningful relationships in our lives increases our overall well-being. And paying attention to the ways in which we respond to one another during the good times can strengthen these ties over the long term. I sincerely hope you try this out starting today. If you like the video, please do click the like icon and post your thoughts, comments, and queries in the comment section. Also, please do remember to subscribe to my videos and click the bell notification if you want to receive updates from my feed. Until then, goodbye and good luck. Cheers to learning.